Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a New York DMV online appointment. So first, you may want to head over to dmv.ny.gov, and from this page, just scroll down, then click on reservations. So the first step in booking an appointment is of course find an office location. You can start by searching by city or zip code. Just type in your city or zip code in this section and search distance. Then just click on search button. So say for example, we're going to take or book an appointment at AAA Brooklyn. So we're just going to click on view details. And from here, just scroll down until you see the make a reservation button. You will then be redirected to the AAA Northeast webpage. And from here, you will be asked to enter in your zip code below. So I'm just going to go back from the previous page, copy the zip code, and paste it on this page. So we're just going to submit. And from here, if you scroll down, you can now start selecting an appointment. So here are the current appointments available. So just click on the book button and we're going to select the appointment. And from here, you can start choosing the day. So, say for example, we want an appointment on 11th of August at 10 a.m. So, just click on the time. And from here, all you have to do is fill in necessary information about yourself, starting with your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. You're also going to need to choose your reason for this DMV visit and enter in your 16-digit membership number. Then, once everything is done, and make sure, of course, that you enter all the details correctly, you can proceed by clicking on confirm appointment. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!